Well, it's definitely warming up down under, so you know it's getting close to Christmas. G'day and welcome to Bricks by Dave, where we're going to look at day 20 of the Lego City Advent Calendar for 2022. So let's go have a look now. Alright, what does day 20 have for us? We have a little fireplace. And this is alright. Here's our bag of bricks. Let's go build. So we have a fireplace to build, not something I'll be needing here today, that's for sure. Let's see if we can put this together. We've got a couple of these clips here, 1x1s on the 3x1 plate, another 3x1 plate that way. Then these are going to hold some sort of lanterns, maybe. Couple of these half round 1x1s, like so. And form our logs for our fire with one of these red ones in the middle. I should have put that on before I put the other bits together. And flame there. Two round bricks on top. Ooh, too far. One. Two. And now I know what they are. We're going to roast some marshmallows. There we go. It's our fireplace with our marshmallows on the stick. Love to do that around a campfire, but not allowed at this time of year.